So it's been quite a while since we've been anywhere. I think it's been
a long time.
6 months?
Since Alaska.
Yeah, a long time.
We were home taking care of health issues and other things, so it's about time to get out again.
Yes, it is. So we're heading down south. We're going to go as far as central Utah today, and then we're going to go to the Manti Temple open house.
Open house. On our way down to St. George.
We're going to St. George. And then when we get done at St. George, we're going to head to Mesa and then Tucson. So it should be a good time.
Should be a good time.
All right.
We're here in Ephraim, Utah, and we are parked at the Walmart. And it got down to 28 degrees last night, so it's pretty cold. We were warm enough.
Yeah, really great accommodations last night. You know, boondocking in the Walmart parking lot. But hey, it's okay.
We'll only be here for a little while, and then we'll take off towards St. George.
Alrighty.
Hoping for warmer weather.
Yes, we are. Okay, so we just finished our tour of the Manti Utah Temple, Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. This is a really pretty building, isn't it?
Amazing.
Amazing.
They're getting ready to rededicate it. This building was originally started in 1878, and it was dedicated in 1887. And now they're redoing it. Boy, and it's made out of local limestone, oolitic limestone for if you're into the geology thing. So what did everybody think about the tour?
You know, it was amazing to see the amount of people who not only had the desire to wait in line, but also feel of the Spirit within the temple. And the workmanship is beyond imagine how intricate it is, amazing. And then the Spirit within the temple is so well felt. And we are so thankful that we made the effort to come down here to visit and go through it.
You know, I think all the temples are beautiful, but these pioneer era temples are really special. This was the third temple dedicated after the saints left to Nauvoo. And so pretty special.
The workmanship is amazing.
And to move from room to room and the murals on the walls.
And to see the people around exclaiming, this is where we were sealed. This is where this happened, or this is where this happened, 50 years ago or so. So it's pretty important, pretty sacred edifice. Huh?
Good thing to do today.
Yep.
Exactly. Best thing of the day.
How'd we do?
Pretty good.
Hey, before we leave,
Uh-oh.
this is our tour guide.
We're here at spring training, just enjoying the atmosphere, food trucks, all the game stores, and we're getting ready to go in and watch.
Yeah, there are a few food trucks at Chick-fil-A, there's a pizza
pretzel,
pretzel,
world's greatest corn dogs, gelato. There's just all sorts of stuff besides the
Tacos.
regular grill stuff you get here, and it is the Cubs and the Oakland A's.
This is the home field for the Oakland A's, and then the Cubs are playing today.
We're excited.
Pretty cool. Let's go find our seats.
Okay. Okay, now Larry, go ahead.
St. Louis ribs.
And where are we at?
Barbecue.
Bobby J, yeah, barbecue.
Okay, what do you have, Cindy?
I have the perfect burger and beer fries.
Al?
I got the salmon rasa.
Baby back ribs.
And they're good.
And Pepsi.
Lane?
St. Louis ribs, fries, and roasted corn. And you?
I have barbecue brisket. I have a brisket sandwich and the broccoli, and it is fabulous.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, 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 yum. We're at Pete's Fish and Chips, and I have fish and shrimp and fries.
Did you guys get a fork?
And I think everybody pretty much got fish and fries, Pepsi, not a lot of Coke.
Fry sauce.
Cindy got onion rings. I think everybody else got the fish and chips. Anyway,
Cindy, how's your onion rings?
We're gonna get sauce for you.
okay, pretty tasty.
It's good.
So we're here in Mesa, Arizona at the Mesa Temple, and we're not going to the temple today, but what we are doing is we're attending the Mesa Easter Pageant, and we're probably getting an hour away from it starting up, but already a pretty good crowd. They set up 9,500 chairs, plus there's room to sit around to the outside, so that'll be pretty neat. So we are here at Hohokam Stadium in Mesa, Arizona, and this is the home stadium for the Oakland Athletics. The other day we watched them play the Chicago Cubs, and the A's won that game. Right now we are watching the A's play the Cincinnati Reds, and at the moment the Reds are ahead. We're at the bottom of the seventh right now, so we'll see what happens. But nice stadium. It's not MLB, size, but pretty nice, and it's been fun. And there you go. That's kind of the little logo of the Mesa Hohokams. It's only about 10 minutes away from our RV park, so it's pretty handy.